everyone, so today I will show you how you can set up Flutter for Web in your Windows PC. For installing Flutter for Web in your PC, at first you need the Dart SDK, which you can find from the dart.dev/get-dart. So from here you can see the Dart SDK installer for Windows. Click here, then download the Dart from Dart's stable version from here. Okay. Then go to the flutter.dev/web, this website, and you can find the whole documentation about Flutter for Web. Okay, so check out the repository for instruction how to get started. From here you can find the documentation about how you can set up Flutter in your PC. Today I will show you for your IntelliJ IDE. So I'm assuming that you already have the Flutter SDK in your PC and you already set up the IntelliJ IDE in your PC. Go to the IntelliJ IDE and click create new project. From here select the Dart project. For Dart SDK path you have to assign the Dart SDK path which you downloaded from here. Okay. After setting the path of Dart SDK, you can find the whole lot of project you can start with Dart. Okay, and so we are concerned about the Flutter Web app. So click the Flutter Web app and click next and give it a name. Okay, first web in Flutter, then click finish. It will take some time to create the project. The project structure is quite similar with the Flutter. You can see this. So for now our concern is just this main.dart file. So here you can see all the boilerplate code. To run this project in your localhost server, you have to run some command into the IntelliJ terminal section. So go to the terminal section and write webdev serve -- auto restart, then click enter. It will take some time to run the whole project into your localhost server, so be patient. There it is, our project is now running on localhost 8080. So click here and a new window will appear where our project will run. So there it is, our first Flutter project is running on the web. Let's make some changes to our first web project. Go to your IntelliJ IDE. There, let's change the let's change this bar color here. Okay, so let's change its blue to let's make it what I can give orange. Okay, then click Ctrl S for save the project, and there it is. We don't need to reload our project to see the changes. Let's change this hello world text here. Okay, so I'd like to write here my name. You can write yours, so Shafat Ahmed, and let's give some styles. Okay, so style, new text style. Let's give it a color. This colors dot let's give it a green color. Okay, for font size, I'd like to change the font size, which is 30, and the font weight to be font weight dot 600 will be fine. Let's save it. Okay, it's reloading. Flutter for Web is on technical preview now. It will have lots of bug in it, so after time it will be more efficient and more reliable to work on. Just give it a floating action button. Okay, so after body I have to okay, floating action button, floating action button. Okay, let's give it a background colors dot green accent. Okay, so and the for child, let's give a text, new text should be okay, and then save it. Here is our floating action button, but we can see after pressing it there is no animation here, material animation, so we can do this by including on press method in it. So I'm giving it an anonymous method which will print for us something into console. That's pressed. Okay, so save it. Let's go to the console and then click it. Here is our pressed. Okay, so now we can do anything with our Flutter for Web project. Hope you can also install your Flutter for Web into your PC. You can start to build some interesting project with Flutter for Web. So best of luck. See you in the next video.